Hello, in this WordPress tutorial, I will guide you on how to install, deactivate and delete a plugin in WordPress from the WordPress dashboard. My name is Isaac from StormerHost. Let's get started. Let's begin on how to install a plugin in WordPress. You can install a plugin in WordPress in several ways. The best way to install a plugin is to use the WordPress Admin Dashboard, which automatically allows you to install plugin. Log into your WordPress Admin Dashboard. Under the dashboard menu, hover your mouse over plugins and click on Add New. In the search plugin box, enter the name of the plugin you wish to install, such as Jetpack, and press Enter. The available plugin matching the keyword Jetpack will appear. Click on Install button, which appears next to the plugin name. The installation can take few minutes. Once it is complete, it will display the Activate option. Click on it to activate the newly installed plugin. The newly activated plugin will show in the sidebar menu. If a plugin requires a setup, it will display an option to complete it. Congratulations! You have installed and activated a plugin Jetpack on your WordPress. Now, how to deactivate a plugin in WordPress from the WordPress dashboard. Log into your WordPress Admin Dashboard. Under the dashboard menu, hover your mouse over plugins and click on Install Plugins. If you want to deactivate the Elementor plugin, click on Deactivate, which appears at the bottom of the Elementor text. Finally, how to delete a plugin in WordPress. Once a plugin is deactivated, the delete option will appear. Click on Delete link, which shows at the bottom of the deactivated plugin name. It will display a confirmation. Press OK and the plugin will be removed. Plugin successfully deleted. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, you can call our support line or send us a message on our website. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.